And here's question 5 from the Core 1 Chapter 1 homework, which is a question from the June 07 paper. In part A, we've got to put x squared plus 10x plus 19 in the form x plus p squared plus q, and you need to recognise that as a standard form of completing the square. Look back in Chapter 1, round about example 3, if you need help with how to do that. And fairly standard follow-up work from completing the square. We've got to write down the vertex or minimum point of the curve with that same equation. And that would be example 7.2 on page 15 of your Chapter 1 booklet. Will give you an example of how to do the vertex and the line of symmetry in the next part. And the transformation, there is only one kind of transformation in Core 1. You need the word for that transformation, and you need one of them to fill in, and the work you did on the vertex links in with the details of that transformation. This is very like another question that appeared on the Core 1 homework, which I did a separate video for. In part B, determine the coordinates of the point of intersection of the line y equals x plus 11 and that particular curve. Points of intersection is a code phrase that always means you need a particular method, and that method is simultaneous equations. If you have two graphs and you want where they intersect, we need to solve that simultaneously with that. We've got y equals x plus 11, we've got y equals x squared plus 10x plus 19. Substituting one into the other is very easy in this case because y is the subject of both. If we take y equals x plus 11 from the first equation, and then this y here, write as x plus 11 equals the other side. You've then got a quadratic equation for x. Don't forget at the end, as well as having answers for x, two answers for x, there'll be y answers for each of those. So you'll be ending up with two pairs. xy will equal either of two sets of coordinates, and we want to give, the question asks for the answer as coordinates. So two sets of coordinates will be your final answer for that question.